Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghuir. In this class, we do some practice examples on chain rule. In our previous class, we already discussed about proportions. Please watch that class and come back here. The link for the playlist is provided in the description below. Coming to today's class, first we understand some concepts, then we go into the examples. You will get good clarity when we are doing the examples. So directly proportion. If you take two quantities are said to be directly proportional if increase of one, the other increases to the same extent. If this happens, then we say it as directly proportional. One increases, other has to increase to the same extent. This point is very important, to the same extent. This you are going to get clarity when we are doing the first example. So one of the example, cost is directly proportional to the number of articles. As the number of articles increases, cost increases. That is what we call it as directly proportional. More articles, more cost. Coming to indirect proportion, if two quantities we say it as indirectly proportional, if on the increase of one of the the other decreases to the same extent. One item increases, the other item has to be decreased to the same extent, then we say it as a indirect proportion. More speed, less time taken. As the speed increases, time decreases. Then we say it as a indirectly proportional, and vice versa also. As time increases, speed decreases. If you are taking long time means you are going less speed. Now coming to the example, if 15 toys cost rupees 234, if 15 toys cost rupees 234, what do 35 toys cost? So 15 toys, 35 toys. As toys increases, cost increases, means this is directly proportional. More toys, more cost, directly proportional. So 15 is to 35, 15 toys, 35 toys. This is proportional. Proportional means this ratio is equal to 234 is to x. So 15 toys cost 234. 35 toys cost how much? See, assume that one toy is one toy cost 20 rupees. Two toys cost 40 rupees. As toys increases, cost is also increasing in the same extent. That is the point you have to understand. That's why 15 is to 35 is equal to 234 is to x. It is increasing in the same extent. This is means two ratios, if they are equal, we call it as proportion. We can write it like this. This concept we already discussed in our previous class, in our last class. What is meant by proportion? What is this symbol? Now in our last class we clearly discussed that if two ratios are equal, these are called the extreme terms, these are called the mean terms. Product of extreme terms is equal to product of mean terms. So 15x is equal to 35 multiplied by 234, x is equal to 546. 15 toys cost 234. What is how much is the cost of 35 toys? It is x. Product of mean terms is equal to product of extreme terms. From that we are going to get x is equal to 546. And one important point you have to understand with next example, if it is indirectly proportional, how you have to write, that is the point you have to understand. If 36 men can do a piece of work in 25 hours, in how many hours will 15 men do it? As number of men increases, the time to do the work decreases. As number of men decreases, time increases. Less men, more hours. Indirectly proportional. 36 men can do a piece of work in 25 hours. In how many hours will 15 men can do it? So we have written here 15 is to 36. So 15 men, 36 men. 15 is to 36. In indirectly proportional, reverse it. You have to write it in the reverse. So 25 for 36 men, 25 hours. So we reversed it. That is the key point you have to understand. 25 is to x. Now product of mean terms is equal to product of extremes. Product of extremes is equal to product of mean terms. So 15x is equal to 36 multiplied by 25. X is equal to 36 multiplied by 25 by 15, which is 60 hours. less men, more hours. 60 hours it is going to take. So the key point is inversely proportional should be written in the reverse. Directly proportional, you can directly write it. Hope you understand these examples. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.